Samsung S23 series is already out before its official launch, and in this video we are going to see the smaller version, the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Now first of all, talking about the design of S23 series is very much similar to the previous generation of the Galaxy S22 series. There are not many changes in the design of these models, but in the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, there are some changes at the back of the phone which are camera related. And as we all know, Samsung always plays with the color options of their devices, which is going to be continued with the S23 series as well. All the models of S23 series will come with 8 different color options: Botanic Green, Cream Cotton Flower, Mystic Lily Light Purple, Phantom Black. There will be a grey color, light blue, light green and light red. Samsung S23 and S23 Plus will come with a very similar specifications, only there will be difference in their sizes. The Samsung S23 will come with a 6.1 inch display and the Samsung S23 Plus will come with a 6.6 inch Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution with 120 Hz of display refresh rate, which is variable from 48 Hz up to 120 Hz. And at the back there is a vertical layout of 3 cameras. 50 megapixel will be the main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a telephoto lens with 10 megapixel resolution. And at the front there is a 12 megapixel camera with 2.2 focal length, which will give you a pretty wide angle view. There is a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen. And talking about the RAM, CPU and capacity, these two devices will come with 8GB of RAM, 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of storage options, and will come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. Now let's talk about the big daddy of smartphones, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a 6.8-inch Infinity O Dynamic AMOLED display with 2x screen and with a variable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, which is definitely going to give you a very smooth experience in games. Also in the display there is a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and a 12 megapixel lens at the front with focal length of 2.2. And camera section at the rear is insane. There are 4 cameras at the rear. The main lens is a 200 megapixel with f1.7 with optical image stabilization and an ultra wide angle lens with 120 degrees wide angle. There will be a 8GB and a 12GB RAM options, and the capacity will be 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, and will come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now talking about the pricing of all 3 devices, Samsung S23 and S23 Plus will come with a price tag of around $900 and S23 Ultra will come with a price tag of $1200 and they are going to launch on Feb 1, 2023. So guys, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and tell me your thoughts about the S23 series and which model you are more interested.